reason why the turbo failed. This is the new turbo. The reason why your turbo failed is lack of maintenance. Change the oil on time or every 5,000 kilometers. To maintain your turbo, you need a regular change oil. Why you need a regular change oil? To protect the internal bearing of your turbo. The oil is goes here and go down to your engine. So here, in and out. Next, after driving, don't turn off straight away your engine. Let it run at least 2 minutes running. You need to cool it down. So don't turn your engine off straight away. The coolant goes here, and goes to your radiator. That's why you need to cool it down. That's the reason why your turbo failed. So you have to take this out first. That one. Broken. See, take this out. And then the intercooler out. So this is the intercooler. So make sure cover this. Take the heat shield. So the turbo is sit here. This. So this is the heat shield on top of the turbo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to take this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 at the bottom. And then 10 mm bolts here, loosen. That's connected here from the air duct. So you have to undo this 10 mm bolts. And then the oil cooler, the oil pipe here. So that's 17. You have to take this out. We undo this. Turbo is out. And then to put this back in, just reverse. That's it.